Hello everyone, today let's look at ratio word problems and this is from P6 Mathematics. Okay, this will be question 2 of the ratio word problem. Okay, first let's read the question. At first, the ratio of the number of marbles Ravi had to the numbers of marbles Peter had was 1:2. After Ravi had given 20 marbles to his friends, the ratio of the number of marbles Ravi had to the number of marbles Peter had was 3:7. How many marbles did Peter have at first? Next, let's underline or highlight the keywords or phrases in this question. So the first key phrase is the number of marbles Ravi had to the number of marbles Peter had was 1:2. Next, after Ravi had given 20 marbles to his friends, the ratio of marbles he had to the number of marbles Peter had became 3:7. So we need to find how many marbles did Peter have at first. So before, the ratio of marbles Ravi had to Peter would be 1:2. So Ravi gave 20 marbles away. Then after, the ratio of Ravi to Peter's will be 3:7. So what can we see here? We can see here that the number of marbles for Ravi changed because he gave 20 marbles away. But the number of marbles for Peter did not change. So this is a one quantity unchanged type of question. So we got to make sure that the ratio or the units for Peter must be equal. So how to make them equal? You got to multiply by 7 for the ratio before and multiply by 2 for the ratio after, so that the number of units for Peter will become 14. So and Ravi will be 7 units for before, and for after, Ravi's number of units will be 6 units, but Peter's numbers of units will be the same, 14 as well. So now we can see that the number of units for Peter for before and after remains the same. But for Ravi, from 7 units dropped to 6 units. Why? Because, yes, he gave 20 marbles away. So that 1 unit is actually equals to 20 marbles. So what is it we want to find? We want to find the number of marbles Peter had at first. But you can see that because Peter did not give away or receive any number of marbles, his number of units remains the same. So whether it's at first or at the end, his number of units is still 14 units. And Peter actually still have 280 marbles before and after. And that's all for this question. Thank you. Bye bye.